Welcome to the Introduction to SOLIDWORKS sketching video. In this video we will talk about how to start sketches in SOLIDWORKS as well as how to use some of the most common sketching tools. Sketches are important in CAD work because they create the foundation for creating a part. In SOLIDWORKS, once you've completed a sketch, you use it in combination with a SOLIDWORKS feature to create a 3D representation. And it is a combination of these features and sketches that will be used to create a completed part. Before starting a sketch, make sure you are in the correct unit system. The easiest way to check this is to look at the bottom right toolbar on your screen. There will be letters just to the left of the question mark. In this case, I have IPS, which stands for inch, pounds, seconds. If you wish to change the unit system, simply click on the arrow just to the right of the letters and select your desired units. Just to the left of the unit system is an indicator letting you know what edit mode you're in. Right now I am in edit part mode, which means I'm set up to edit features of a part, but if I'm in a sketch, it'll say edit sketch mode. So to begin a sketch and enter edit sketch mode, select the sketch button located under the sketch tab of the Command Manager toolbar and select which orthographic plane you wish to start sketching on. Most of your drawing tools are located in the Command Manager toolbar. One of the most common of these tools is the line tool. And if you open the drop-down menu for the line tool, you'll notice there's two different kinds of lines. One is regular lines and the other is construction lines. Construction lines are dashed and are used to reference other parts of a drawing. Most often these are used to help in the creation of a symmetric drawing. Regular lines, on the other hand, are solid and are used to represent a physical border. For this video, I'm only going to use regular lines. So once I have regular lines selected, I can begin drawing by simply left-clicking in the design space. Each left click I make represents an endpoint of a line. Now by default, SOLIDWORKS creates line chains. To break a line chain, press the escape key or double-click. Once you're done drawing your line, click the check mark located on the left-hand side of the screen. If you wish to delete a line segment or portion of a sketch, just highlight the part you wish to delete and press the delete key, or you can right-click and select delete. If you wish to undo a previous action, press Ctrl-Z or select the undo button located at the top of the screen. Of course, most sketches require more than the line tool to be completed. Other common drawing tools are circles, arcs, and rectangles, and these can all be found in the Command Manager toolbar. Like the line tool, these all have their own drop-down menus, and for these tools, they all show different ways that they can be drawn. For the circle, you have the center point circle and perimeter circle. Regardless of which one you select, a window will appear over the design tree. In that window will be an option called Circle Type, and it shows how each type of circle is drawn. For the center circle, your first left click will be the center point, and your second left click will show where the radius is located. For the perimeter circle, your first, second, and third clicks will all be part of the circle radius. For this video, I'm going to draw a center point circle, and once I'm done, click the check mark in the dialog box. For arcs, there are three different kinds you can draw. I'm going to draw a center point arc. And if you look in the dialog box that appears, the arc type shows my first click needs to be the center point, my second click is the beginning of the arc, and my third click is the end of the arc. As you can see here, sometimes the arc tool glitches out, and it's doing the exact opposite of what I want it to do. When that happens, sometimes you have to go in a complete revolution before it starts doing what you want it to. Once I'm done drawing, I click the check mark in the dialog box. Lastly, a very common used tool is the rectangle tool. As you can see from the drop-down menu that there are many different ways to draw rectangles. For this video, I'm just going to draw a corner rectangle, which you can see in the rectangle type that it is drawn by simply clicking two corners that are diagonal to each other. And that concludes the Introduction to Sketching video.